Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add Google Assistant for the headphones Pixel Buds Pro 2 with using your Android device. You have to start by open Pixel Buds application. Now go to Touch Controls and then we can just customize press and hold, so click on it, customize, and right now you should add a Google Assistant for the right one earbud or left one earbud. Let's say with the left one I wanna ANC mode, and with the right one I just leave Assistant right here. And now if I press and hold, I will call a Google Assistant. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!